Alright guys, what's going on today? How are we doing? Steve Mingle Final Web Design. Today I got a fun video to look at this, the Focus Smartphone Vlogging Kit. Pretty excited to look at this, so let's get into it. Final Web Design, this is Steve. Alright, so anybody who makes these type of YouTube videos, you're going to know that lighting is really important, and having people be able to hear you is very important. I travel a lot, I'm a digital nomad, so I thought this would be a cool project to look at for anybody else who does similar YouTube videos. So why don't we start by just opening it. As I open this, you can basically see it comes with two separate boxes here, an instruction manual. Well, I'm not exactly sure. This is the light that's going to strap on here. Now, I don't believe that there's any batteries in here currently. However, this is the light. Why don't we take a look at this? They really got this packaging in here pretty good. So I'm going to take it. This is the stand. And again, I haven't opened this, so I'm not sure how all these pieces come together. This, a couple batteries, 3 batteries, and the microphone, which is here. So what I'm going to do now is set this thing up, and we'll see how it goes together. So I'm just going to open up this manual, which should walk me through the process. So basically it shows what's in the box, which are the pieces I just highlighted, opening the tripod, attaching the clip to the tripod, the batteries, the LED light, the microphone, and just securing it all together. So that was pretty straightforward. I'm going to take it that this is the stand. However, I'm not exactly sure how this opens. Okay, so there's the base. There's the base. Open the legs of the tripod, attach phone clip to tripod. So that has to be this piece, the phone clip, to the tripod. However, it looks like it goes at the bottom. So let's put it here on the bottom. So it looks like this is here. Got this basic piece coming together. Put the batteries in the LED light. So we'll open this. 2 AA batteries. Whoops. And we will close up the back. So here's the light. So the light should attach on here, on the top. So now we have our light. Attach the microphone to the LED light. So let's put this. It just keeps growing here. Now this plugs in, but in this case you need an adapter. And that should be it. This will connect then to the piece of the phone. This is the remote to power it on. So let's take this iPhone. You can see it standing now. Take this iPhone, and we will add it. Let's see, I think the phone faces the individual. Now we got the phone. Pretty cool little setup. So now I can make my videos wherever I go. And they should be, people should really, if you're a traveler or a digital nomad and you make videos, this is a pretty cool setup. So there we go, guys. What do you think? What do you think? This is the Focus Onn Smartphone Vlogging Kit. I'll let you know how it goes in the next video. Like and subscribe, that helps, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.